Oh, good morning. I noticed under my house, my little shed that I built, I noticed that some of the wood were eaten up by termites. Thought it was a little water damage, but it wound up being termites. So what I'm gonna do is only the first layer down here that has been damaged, and I'll just show you a little bit on how to take this first joist out, replace it, and then put everything back. What I had to do is take the frame off. I took the frame out of it, and now I peeled the joist underneath it out. This is it right here, and I'll show you underneath of what as you can see, I just use my regular vehicle jack underneath it. I raised it up, I put it on the second joist. I raised it up and I pulled the sides out of it. This is how it looked on the other side. It was the same way. It was only the first joist. As you can see, it didn't take me that much to put it back up there. Now I'm gonna just nail it in place and put my framework back up.